I would say like back in '04 when I was riding with the ET regiment back in my days and whatnot, we used to go to the studio and I used to always look at my man, the engineer, Q Banger. He was the guy who he made the beats, he mixed all our music and whatnot. So at that time, I used to always be interested in what he did. Like, yo, Q, man, you got to show me how to work these things out and whatnot. But over the years, we started to separate because our lives started to change and things like that. But I had went to Full Sail University to learn audio production and music engineering. Fast forward with that knowledge from getting it in the studio with when we was rapping and all that with Q Banger and them, and then graduating from Full Sail University, and then now 10, 12 years plus after that, me just still working and building my craft and getting my sound together. I found it's only a few components that you could come up when it comes to making a beat. Either it be a sample-based beat, either it be a trap beat, either it be a drill beat. All the components are the same. Is where do you place these sounds to make it sound the way it needs to sound? Because a drum sequence is only but so many variations of a drum sequence that you're going to have. So the trick where it comes in for you as the individual is how are you making your drum sound? How is it hitting? And when you're using instruments, are you playing these instruments? You don't even have to be an instrumentalist, like to know how to play the piano or anything like that. You just have to understand where to place the notes at. You have to feel what sounds good. A lot of times it ain't even about the skill of music theory. It's just like if you could feel what sound good from one note to the next, regardless if it's dissonant or if it's within scale or not, it doesn't even matter. So